We provide Pearson and SAM modules, Simnet projects, including Capstone projects, Shelley Cashman series, and McGraw-Hill projects. We also help with MAThlab courses, covering mathematics, statistics, accounting, and finance, along with other academic subjects. Make a deal for complete course in very reasonable price, and also.
Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss our next chapter, that is chapter 5, and that is a first assignment of chapter 5. First of all, we will open our instruction file. Okay, it is just getting opening. Then we have to click on enable editing. Then make this zoom so it must be visible to everyone. Okay, so in today's video we will discuss Exp25 Excel chapter 5 ML1 real estate. We just increase its size, change its color, project description. You are a real estate analyst who works for Mountain View Realty in North Country area. You have considered a list of houses sold during past few months and want to analyze data. For a simple analysis, you will outline the data and the subtotal feature. You will then create two pivot tables and pivot chart to perform more in-depth analysis. So that was just a description about the assignment that or project, that what we have in today project, how we have to solve that one, and in the end what we will get. Okay, remember that we are solving Exp25 Excel chapter 2 chapter 5 ML2 or real estate. So before going to solve this assignment step by step, let me move toward whole assignment, how many points we have in today assignment. Okay, so how many questions we have? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. We have 17 questions in today assignment, and that is the last question 17 is non-grade 1, in which we have to save, close this file, then exit Excel, then submit the file. Okay, so let me start this assignment step by step. You may follow me and you will get E grade 100% marks. Remember that we are solving Exp25 Excel chapter 5 ML1 real estate. Then we just discuss project description. Now we are moving toward graded part. Okay, projects steps to performs, instructions. So in question number 1, start Excel, then download and open the file name, this one. Okay, then grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. So first we have to open our solution file, then we have to click on enable editing so we can able to edit that sheet. Okay, so question number 1 is done. In question number 1 we just simply open our start file, or we call solution file, that we have downloaded from Pearson. Okay, after opening, then grader has automatically added our name to that sheet. Okay, so question number 1 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 2. You are about ready to subtotal the data. First you will sort the data. Okay, so in question number 2, in first part, after reading instruction of question number 2, we get idea that we have to work on subtotal. In first part, in sales, in the sales subtotal worksheet, first we have to move toward sales subtotal worksheet. Then sort the list by city in alphabetic order. Then selling agent alphabetic order, and finally by a listing date chronically mean oldest to newest. So first we have to select, mean we have to click inside that table, then we have to click on editing. There is custom sort. Now first we have to sort by city alphabetic order, then next what we have to, then by selling agent. Where is a selling agent? And there is selling agent, that is also alphabetic order, then finally listing date chronically. Now we have to sort by a listing date, and that is chronically mean a newest to oldest. Yes, no, it's oldest to newest. Okay, this one. Now simply press OK. So that will done. So question number 2 is done. After solving question number 2, we earn 5 marks. Okay. What is there in question number 2? In question number 2, we just move towards sales subtotal worksheet, and there we just sort the city in alphabetic order, then selling agent in alphabetic order, and last finally we just sort listing date in chronological order, mean oldest to newest. We have done and we earned 5 marks. Now we are moving toward question number 2. You want to display subtotal for 3 columns to analyze the average. Okay, so in first part, use a subtotal tool to calculate the average selling price, asking price, and days on the city. Okay, so now we have to use a subtotal to calculate average selling price, asking price, and days on market. Ensure that summary below is checkbox is selected. Okay, and then click OK. So we just move there, click on data, and then there is in outline there is subtotal option. We have to select that one. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to use subtotal tool to calculate the average of selling price, average of the selling price. Here we use average, then of selling price, percentage of asking price, and days on market. We have to use subtotal tool to calculate the average selling price, percentage of asking price, and days on market by city. Okay, by city mean we have to select the city. Okay, then first we have to select average selling price, there is selling price, then percentage of asking price, then days on market by city. Yes, and there is a summary below data we have already checked. Now simply press OK and we will get the result. So question number 3 is done. After solving question number 3, we earn 10 marks or 10 point. Okay. In question number 3, after reading instruction, we get idea that we have to work on subtotal. So use a subtotal tool to calculate the average selling price, asking price, and days on market by city. Ensure that summary below the data checkbox is selected and then click OK and select, and we get this result after solving question number 3. Now we are moving toward question number 4. Next, you will apply an outline so that you can collapse and expand columns. So group the data using auto outline feature. Collapse the outline to the hide listing date and sale data columns. We have to apply outline, auto outline. Where is that one? Yes, auto outline. Now you may see auto outline is there. Now what we have to do, we have to hide, collapse outline to hide listing date and a sale data column. Sale data column, we have to hide this one. Okay. Then click or select outline symbol to display the grand average and city average row only. Grand average and city average row only, this one. Okay. So question number 4 is done. After solving question number 4, we earn 5 marks. In question number 4, what we have done, we just group the data using the outline feature, collapse the outline to the hide the listing date and sale date column. Then click or select outline symbol to display the grand average and the city average row only. After solving question number 4, we get this result. Okay. Now we are moving toward question number 5. Now you are ready to format the data and set print area to print only select option. Select portion of sheet. Okay. So format the average days on market as number with 0 decimal place. Format the average days on market as a number with a 0 decimal place. So now you are ready to format the data and set print. Okay. Then format the average days on market. This one. There we have to apply number with 0 decimal place. Select this one. Then in home, there we apply number with a 0 decimal place. Then simply press OK. Then apply the wrap text in G1 and J1. Where is G1? There is G1. We have to apply wrap text. Then there is J1. We have to apply wrap text. Okay. Then set print area for range C1 to J88. C1 to J88. Now we have to select that area, page layout, and there is set print area. Done. So question number 5 is done. In question number 5, we have to format the average days on market as a number of numbers with 0 decimal place. After that, then we have to apply wrap text in cell G1 and J1. Then set a print area of range C1 to J88. After solving question number 5, we earn 3 marks. Now we are moving toward question number 6. Select individual column G and J, then change the column width to 10. Now we have to select column G here, right click, then column width, and here we have to put 10, press enter. Then again G, right click, column width, and there we put 10, press enter, and we get the result. Okay, then change the row height 24 for first row. Where is first row? There is first row. Select this one, right click there, and row height must be 24. Okay, so question number 6 is done. In question number 6, after solving question number 6, we earn 2 marks. Okay, in question number 6, we have to select individual column G and J, and then change the column width to 10, then change row height to 24 for first row. So question number 6 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 7. In question number 7, pivot tables help you analyze different perspective of data. You will create a pivot table using a sales data worksheet. Now we have to move toward sales data worksheet here, and here we have to create a pivot table. Display sales data worksheet and create a blank pivot table on a new worksheet. Then name the new sheet to pivot table. Then name the pivot table to average city price. So for that, first we have to select this one there, then click on insert and create a blank pivot table. Then we have to solve else part also there. So same way we will solve question number 8 up to question number 15, 16 step by step. You may see we have 16 questions. Out of 16 questions we have done first 7 to 8 questions, mean half of assignment is done from my side in today video. Remember that we are solving Exp25 Excel chapter 05 ML1 real estate. In short, we discuss project description, then we move toward credit report, and we have solved question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and also discuss question number 8. Mean half of assignment is done from our side in today video. But if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my side. But if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my WhatsApp number, on my email ID, on my Instagram ID. All links are available in video description, as well as there in bottom of this video you may see here is my WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. You may contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get E grade 100% marks. But remember that whenever I will solve your assignment, your marks will be E grade 100% marks, and our price will be reasonable, so you can easily afford that one. Your file will be ready in next 1 hour whenever you need help. You may also contact me for other courses just like mathematics, stats, English writing, English literature writing, accounting, C++, Java, Linux, Power BI, Tableau, Linux. So whatever you need to help regarding your academic, you may simply contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get E grade 100% marks in next 1 hour. Take care. Bye bye. Best of luck for your future. Meet soon with our next assignment. Please subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my side.